Thinking about new siding for your Geneva, Illinois home? At Apex Exteriors, we recommend metal siding for homeowners who want lasting strength, sharp style, and minimal upkeep. But there are many reasons why metal is superior to competing materials. For one, metal siding, especially steel, is built tough. It can handle hail, wind, snow, and Midwest storms without flinching. And unlike vinyl or wood, it won't fade, rot, or get eaten by insects. With proper care, it can last for 50 years or more. It's also fire resistant. Metal siding won't catch or spread flames, which adds protection for your home and your neighborhood. And when it comes to maintenance, it's a breeze. Just rinse it once a year with mild soap and you're golden. No sanding, no sealing, no stress. But how does metal siding stack up when it comes to energy efficiency? In a word, amazing. That's because metal siding reflects sunlight and sheds heat. So your home stays cooler and your AC works less, lowering your energy bills. And yeah, it looks amazing too. Whether you're into bold colors or sleek finishes, metal siding can give your home that clean, modern look that turns heads and boosts value. So if you want siding that does it all, metal siding's the way to go. And if you want your metal siding installed properly, Apex Exteriors is here to install it right. Contact us today for siding you'll love for decades.